It's a no-brainer that the black mold is awful, unhealthy, no one wants it. Whether it's at home or on your caravan awning. We've had this problem for a few months now because we live in a caravan full-time, we use our awning a lot, and unfortunately we have a lot of black mold on the roof from the inside. I tried to tackle it with vinegar, HG mold remover, with bleach, nothing worked. Today, hopefully, with this baby, Pro-Kleen Mould and Mildew remover, we will tackle this black pesky mold once forever. So join me to see how I apply the product, see the process of cleaning, and hopefully to see some good results. A few months ago I wasted a day trying to clean our caravan awning with vinegar. And the black mold on the inside didn't go away. In fact, it's gone worse because firstly we cook here in the awning. I do most of the cooking here. We dry our wet weather gear here, and we had such a rainy, wet summer, so that didn't help to solve the problem either. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, my name is Kat and I live in a caravan for most of the year in the UK. I also have a job in a caravan in park. So if it's something that interests you, if you would like to try this lifestyle, see what it's really like, you don't have to try yourself. You can watch my videos and find out about ups and downs. So today a bit of housekeeping, a bit of caravanning work to keep our pitch and our abode clean and healthy. We don't want to breathe black mold and we don't want any moss on the awning. So here are the products which I'm going to use today to tackle both. Here is the product which I'm going to use today to remove mold and mildew from canvas awning. It's Pro-Kleen Mould and Mildew remover. It comes in either 5-liter bottles or 750 ml. So if you want a smaller bottle, you can get a smaller. If you have a big awning, get a 5-liter bottle. It's ready to use. Mold and mildew remover is ready to use. Application is very simple. You simply spray it on the affected area, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with water or wipe with clean cloth or a sponge. I'm going to apply it with a cloth because I don't want to spray it in this tiny awning. I want to minimize the risk of breathing it in. So if you work outside, you can spray it. If you work inside, I would recommend applying it with a cloth or a sponge. And finally, please remember that each time you do shopping on Amazon, if you use our Amazon link, you will support us financially. It doesn't cost you anything, but each time you shop using our link, Amazon will share a bit of commission with us. So thank you very much. I think we are ready. Got all possible PPE I could think of. Got my face mask, face shield, gloves. Wear your PPE because this stuff is powerful, harmful. You could make yourself sick quite easily. You don't want that. You don't want it in your eyes or on your face. So I've got mold and mildew remover here in a bucket. I'm going to apply it with a cloth to the roof. Keep your fingers crossed that it works better than vinegar last time. Oh, that's gone worse. Much worse. Black mold on my cloth. You definitely don't want to live with this. You don't want to breathe it. Let's do some more. Very pleased to say it's working. It takes some time, but I can see a difference. We'll flash some light so you can see it as well. I've done this side. and this one is not done yet. I hope you will be able to see the difference in the video. I'm super happy it's working. I'm going to do the second part of the roof now. I was really annoyed last time after battle with vinegar, all the work, time, smell for nothing. But today I'm successful. I'm on a roll. Keep your fingers crossed for the outside.
A few moments later.
I left the awning open to dry and to air, so it's time to relax now. It took me quite a while to clean this black mold off. I made it a bit harder for myself because I didn't spray it, I wiped it in. So let me know what method of application you used, whether you used the product I recommended or maybe you use something different, maybe something different works too. Thank you very much for watching. I'm really pleased that we don't have to replace our awning, that I managed to clean it, and hopefully it will last us at least another season. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, but you are wondering what are the ups and downs of living in a caravan full-time in the UK, please subscribe to see more videos from me and from my doggy. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.